What is up, guys? Welcome back to the first video in a while on this channel, and I'm actually going to start a new series for you guys. So I'll be teaching you everything you need to know to be able to start trading and just understand the markets a bit. So once you look at the market, you know what you're looking for, and you're not just lost looking at candles, not having a clue what you're doing. So this first video is going to be all about candles, and just understanding what a candle is, because obviously if you don't understand what a candle is, then you will not be able to trade. So let's get straight into it. Now, I don't know how long this series is going to be. I'm just going to keep uploading videos until I've pretty much explained everything to a point where you know what you're doing when you're looking at the markets. So let's get straight into it. About candles, there is the body of the candle, which is just the main point, the thick part of the candle. Then there is a wick, which is when price comes up into this point but does not close. And yeah, then there is a candle open and the candle close. So if we look at a chart, the blue candles are candles going upwards, and the black candles are candles going down. Now, the reason why I don't have my candles set to green and red is just because you can make money in markets, any market, if the price is going down. So I don't like having my chart candles on red, because to me that just shows that red is bad, when red can actually be really good, and you can make a lot of money when shorting, which is just selling the market. Yeah, so let's get straight back into it. So first of all, the candle open on a bullish candle, which means that the candle is going upwards. The candle open is where the candle started. So let's say we have a time frame of 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes a new candle will be created. Now, once a candle is created, it will have an opening point. So where the candle opens, it will create a thick line at the bottom of the candle. Then once that 5 minute timer is up, the candle will close. Now, if this candle is a bullish candle, which means if the price action is going upwards, then the candle will always close at the top. Now, if it is a bearish candle, the bearish candle will open at the top and close at the bottom. So, for example, if we look at this price action here, if we just go to any candle right here, so this here would be the candle open, because this is a bullish candle, so that means within this 5 minutes this candle has started here. So the candle opened here and then the candle closed there. Now, the reason I know this is the open and this is the close is because it is a blue candle, so this price action has went upwards. Whereas if the price action was to go down, like here on this black candle, the top of this candle would be the candle open, and then the bottom of this candle would be the candle close. Now, this is just because the candle has went down. So this bullish candle would have opened right here where my mouse is. Then it's been going up within this 5 minute time period, and it is closed at the top there. Then the next 5 minute candle has opened, and it has opened at the top of this bearish candle, and the candle is black, so that means the candle must have went down. So then the candle close is at the bottom, and then the next candle open will be at the previous candle close, and that was another bearish candle. So this candle has just carried on going down. So the open would be here, as that close of that candle is there, and then this close is at the bottom. Hopefully that makes sense. So now if we look at the wicks, so all the wicks are as these black lines, these black thin lines. Now what this means is we have this body, we have this bullish body right here. Now, this represents 5 minutes of time frame. So within this 5 minutes, the price action has opened up here, and then, so the price action has opened here, and then the candle has closed here. So then what these big wicks mean is the price action has came into this point. Price action has came up into this point, but it is within the 5 minute zone. So the price action hasn't actually closed here. It has just came up. So the body has came up and up and up, but the 5 minute timer of this candle has not been finished yet. The candle hasn't closed yet. So the price action hasn't made the body close. It has just went up to this point, and then instead of closing up here, the candle has came back all the way down, and then the candle is closed here. Hopefully that makes sense. If we go to price action live, so this is live price action right now. So as you can see, we have 1 minute and 45 seconds left of this candle, and it has not closed yet. So let's say this candle right here comes down all the way down to here. What it will do is it will create a wick. So as you can see, we have these wicks here and wicks here. All that means is that this candle has came to this point of the market, but it just hasn't closed yet. I hope that makes sense for you. So as you can see right here, we are on a 1 minute time frame. So each candle represents 1 minute. So right now, this candle has opened up right there where my mouse is, and it is currently going upwards. So this is currently a bullish candle. Now, as you can see, the body of this candle just went up to this point here, but because it hasn't closed yet, and then it came back down before the candle closed, it created a wick. So all this wick means is that the prices came to this point, but not closed at this point specifically. Yeah, I hope that makes sense for you guys. If I go back to my drawing of the candles, that's all that the wick means, just when the body of the candle comes up into the point but doesn't close. Now, there doesn't always have to be a wick, so don't get confused if on some candles you don't see a wick. That just means that the price action has opened and then went straight up in the direction and just hasn't retraced back. For example, this candle, there is a tiny wick, but you can barely see it. So all that means is the price has opened at the bottom here because it's a bullish candle, and then the price has not came back to the downside. It has just went straight up, and yeah, that is a strong bullish candle. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys out. This is just literally a quick video only on what candles are. So hopefully it was very simple and easy to understand. And yeah, the next video that we will be doing will be on liquidity, which I actually recorded before this. But then I just thought, oh, I'm gonna teach basically everything that you need to know about the markets. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful.